What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? How you doing? Okay, alright. You guys remember me trying the twisted hairstyle with the beads? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be trying the braided hairstyle with the beads. It's the style that you guys initially wanted me to try. And if you guys are familiar with my hair growth routine, this is what I usually do, but we're gonna be spicing it up with some beads, you know. Let's see how long I can keep up with this routine, because if you're familiar with that routine, you guys know we start with the bigger braids, then we end up with medium-sized braids, then maybe mini braids. Like, you guys already know how that goes. I'll also post that video in the cards. I need you guys to catch up. I already shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I also applied my leave-in conditioner. I'm using a leave-in conditioner by Blue Magic. It's the olive oil anti-breakage protein complex leave-in styling conditioner. It makes my hair really moisturized and soft, and there are strengthening ingredients in there. You heard me say protein. And sometimes I can just leave this in my hair for the whole week without actually adding any more styling products if I'm lazy. So I do have those weeks or days when I'm really lazy with my hair, and it's still moisturized, so we're good. My hair has been pre-sectioned and stretched in twist. Let me take them down. And not too long ago washed my hair, so I just applied the leave-in conditioner and twisted them up for when I was just ready to style. Basically, all I have left to do is to apply my sealing product, and you guys already know what I'm going to use. And we really appreciate Blue Magic for sponsoring yet another video, because I mean, it's products that I usually use, so it would only be fair for Blue Magic to support my channel and to support me. So we really appreciate Blue Magic, our sponsor for today's video. So I'm gonna be using the Blue Magic Indian Hemp and the Castor Oil Blue Magic, but if you know how my routine usually goes, you'll see that I can use both different times and everything will be okay. So let's keep going. This is my second jar of the Blue Magic Indian Hemp. I only have in the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and you guys can see, look how moisturized and soft my hair is. And let's not forget shiny. So pre-detangling and pre-stretching my hair just makes it a lot easier for me to style my hair when I actually sit down and do it. Love that for me, and I'll love it for you if you try it and it works out for you as well. My hair is stretched, moisturized, and we can just go right in style. I'm gonna do the braids medium sized. Hopefully my parts at the back are straight. It's probably not, so let me take out the other side of the back as well and just part my hair at the back that way. Yeah, when we style our hair ourselves, like, we have to figure it out. It's not gonna be perfect, but with practice you'll eventually get it, and once it's a go-to hairstyle, like, you'll get it even more. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of the Blue Magic Indian Hemp, not much, because I don't want my hair to be greasy. So to prevent your hair from getting too greasy, just add a little bit at a time. Focus on your ends first and just drag the product up. And a little bit does go a long way, like I've been telling you guys, especially when using grease, so that your hair won't be really greasy. And I'm definitely not braiding all the way to the ends, because I mean, they're gonna be in the beads anyway. But when I get close to the ends, you guys already know we're gonna twirl, twirl, twirl those ends around those well, that finger. Boom, that's braid number 2. So my hair is as long as my forearm, or even longer. Yes, because it's coming under. We got length. I'm gonna do that all over my hair and come back when I'm done. All done braiding, and guys, I braided them smaller than I anticipated. They weren't supposed to be this small. Like, they were supposed to be chunkier braids, medium size. They're like low-key mini braids. So hopefully these last a little longer so I don't have to redo them next week. I'll probably just refresh the front. But anyway, I'm still going to put some beads on the ends like I said I would have. They just weren't supposed to be this small. I went out and got some different types of beads from my local beauty supply store versus the ones I had already. And I'm probably just going to use 2 beads on one braid. I have my rubber band, I have my bead feather, and I have my 2 beads at a time. So we're just going to put the beads on the bead feather, put the hair through the threader, and pull the beads on the hair. So as I said, I'm only using 2 beads. I'm going to make sure that my ends are highly sealed. Apply some of the grease. I use a really long piece of my hair and I wrap that around the last bead. Then I use a rubber band. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wrap it around 10 times and pull this bead down. So here we go. That's all I'm going to do on my hair. And we are done. Done. I think the beads look is me. I love how I look with beads. It just adds the spice to my simple hair routines. I'm feeling it. I like it. I like the contrast in the 2 types of beads with the colors. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer the twist or the braids on me? I think for me it's the twist, but the braids just show all my length. But not all, because my ends are wrapped around the last bead and it'll stay fresh a lot longer versus the twist. The twist got stale pretty fast. Let's see how this holds up. So see you guys tomorrow. I haven't seen you in a minute. Well, it's probably more than a week. How you been? I did my hair last week Sunday and today's Monday. It's a holiday today, but we gotta do this hair. Okay, so I not too long ago finished working out. You guys know the drill. I just had my hair in this bonnet and my hair isn't looking too bad actually. Edges are frizzed out. You know, the usual. You guys know Jermaine. You know how Jermaine rolls. You know how Jermaine moves through these streets. I actually went to the beach yesterday afternoon, so some of my hair is wet, but I'm going to wash my hair today in these braids. But first we're going to take down or remove the beads. I'm going to wash my hair in the braids and I'm going to make them, the braids, bigger. I've decided not to put beads all over my hair again because I think 1 week is enough. You know, it prevents a lot of things from happening as smoothly as they usually do, like working out. I just hated jumping and the beads just putting all that pressure on my hair. It was really hard to put my hair into a ponytail with the beads, but we love the look. I probably could have rocked this for another week. But anyway, so I'm gonna take out my beads, wash my hair with the braids, and then when I get time later down in the evening, I'm going to re-braid and make them bigger. Let me show you guys how difficult it is putting this into a ponytail holder. Should I even try? It's just hard getting all the hair. Wait, ponytail holder, you showing out today for the camera. You are showing out today for the camera because for this past week I've been really trying to get my hair into a ponytail, and in front of the camera that just happened so smoothly. Like, what are you on? You just gonna play me like that? Alright, because we gangsta, we just gonna bust. You guys know the vibes, but I'm still gonna take my time though. Examine those ends, pull the beads down, and we're gonna do all these are out. Hair was shampoo / conditioned. I used a shampoo conditioner product, a 2-in-1 basically. Just washed my hair, focused a lot on my roots and on my entire length of hair. So, and not too long ago came out the shower. So as I told you guys, I'm just gonna make the braids into bigger braids. done. I just made my braids bigger versus how they were. I wanted to rock the bead in the front. I may or may not. I just need a couple days without the beads. I'm probably just gonna rock it in a ponytail, not ponytail, like a low bun. Yeah, this week I just feel like just not having hair all over me. I don't know, sometimes I get in certain moods and I can tell what mood I'm going to be in for the week. And this week feels like a no hair out type of week. So I'm gonna put it in a low bun, and this is super protective because my ends will be hidden. I did use some jam on my edges just because I didn't feel like reaching for my gel, but let me just brush them up a little bit. Nothing too fancy, protective, braided. My hair is moisturized, hair is out of my way, and I'll rock my hair like this most likely for the whole week. Today's Monday, so probably I may wash my hair Sunday if I feel like it. Probably wash it in these same braids and just repeat. This is my go-to hair growth, hair routine. You guys already know about this, but this time I just added the beads to give it something different and a different look. You know, this is what I usually fall back into, and you guys saw me use my two favorite greases, the Blue Magic Indian Hemp and the Blue Magic Castor Oil. I used the Indian Hemp first and then I moved on to the Castor Oil for this one. And yeah, my hair looks good. Doesn't my hair look moisturized? Let me show you guys the bun at the back. And one of the reasons I would most likely put my hair in a bun is because my parts probably aren't straight. And that's okay because you can't really see it. But then, you know what? I just don't really be caring about my parts. But if you do, then you do that for you. One day maybe I might start caring and use a mirror at the back or something. But until then, this is what we gonna work with. And you gonna watch regardless. Okay, let me stop. Alright, see you guys. Should we end the video here? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.